and welcome to Builder Bros. Builder Bros is our new channel where we're going to look to upcycle your old products that you have lying around the house. Maybe some of the products you don't have lying around the house, but they can be easily acquired, and we're going to upcycle those into the products that you actually want in the modern home.
Products like the washing machine that you've just racked, or you've seen a brick in thinking it was a pair of clothes, and now right, so now what we're going to do is take the drum out of it and use it as a fire pit. Now, some people think, what are you doing that for? We're saving you money, we're saving you time, and we're saving you...
What are we doing?
I don't know what we're doing, but we're doing it, and we're going to show you how it's done properly today.
So, without further ado, we're going to look at the first product, and what we're going to be looking into here is a washing machine that it's went through its last cycle, shall we say. So we're now going to upcycle this product into a fire pit. Now, the offending item I have not too far from me, which is always handy. It's in the back garden. Excuse the mess of the place, we're getting it ready, but Dave,
yeah,
what are you doing?
I'm putting a load in because it's a fantastic day. Look at it, I mean, it's beautiful.
And that's the offending item. That's the thing we're actually going to break down to make the fire pit. Why would you be...
This is not going to work.
It's not going to work.
Why do you not tell me that for? Right, okay, so what we're going to do now next is using your tools that you have lying around the house, i.e. chainsaws, buzzsaws, jigsaws, G-clamps and nipple clamps. Oh no, sorry, just ordinary tools you have, like Phillips screwdriver. So what we need to do first is find out what you need to be taking apart, which is your ordinary star screwdriver. You can put that off here if you want. And you can do a wee turn.
Sounds like the water.
So,
right.
Yes, obviously there's water still in it. If you can, drain your washing machine. So drain the snake.
Right, so the next step is we've already got as much prep work done as we could physically do, and what I mean by that is I've already attached the actual, what do you call that, Dave? That's a dodo. So do you want to, I don't know what setting that's on, Dave. Is it on the right one?
It should be alright, right?
Okay. So, and then, oh, look at that there. Bang.
That's it.
In.
That's us finished, okay? Thanks for watching the show.
You'll have a good night. So unfortunately we do have to continue with this because I want the fire pit and I don't want to spend anywhere between £80 to £100 for anything like that. So grab a couple of the other screws out and see if we can actually get a look at the drum. So go. This is all going to be fast forwarded.
Oh sure.
Dude, this is all going to be fast forwarded.
No, I'm just down. I know you say.
Just skip through it. Go. And from here, bang. Oh, mate. You know what I mean? That's how we roll. Oh, can't even see it. Right. So is that the lid?
That's stupid.
Oh, sure, look at that.
Job done.
Sure, look at that. That's what's done. Right, so that has to come off.
This brace has to come off.
So I bought tools for taking out glow plugs on a diesel engine, and they were quite expensive, and I think I might actually just have the tool to get in there.
If you don't have it, I have them in the house, but that's like 15 mile away. So there's no real do or don't, it's just trial and error really. Anything that works pulls away. I mean, because you're not going to use it again anyway.
No, well I am. I'm going to upcycle that.
So, we pair of snip.
No, Dave, use your man strength.
What?
Just rip it off. So,
right, I think this is a 10 mil.
10 mil?
Yep.
Okay.
So, they should... we've got torque on it, so take the torque off.
I think that...
Torque? No. I think we need a better...
What are you trying to say, my drill's not strong enough?
No.
So, the one thing I would say is when you are using any type of tools like this at all, safety is the most important thing.
So even if you're saying here a grinder, because I'm a bit confused, there's no going to be no strange women coming to the house.
Well, Grindr is a gay app, as if you didn't know, Dave.
Da, 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 da.
I've always wanted to do this.
Now, always away, always cut away from yourself, people. Away.
Nah, I'm gonna cut towards me, Dave. Do you know why? Because this is the people's show. So
let me just have a wee bit of it.
always gonna cut towards ourselves.
There we have. There's the fire pit to be.
The fire pit to be. She's starting to take shape, Dave. Do you reckon?
Well, no, it's already shaped. You know what I mean? It's already moulded that way.
Well, is it starting to look like a fire pit?
Not the one with your hand down through it.
The most important thing is I'm cutting towards myself because
No,
it actually gives you the best
just
traction.
as we can say, as a precaution to the channel, never cut towards yourself.
Never.
Never, ever. Oh, look at that. Now, these two wee sprockets.
bars.
Yeah, wee tension bars. So we're going to grind them off too. You needed that bit? Sorry, I was saying there you needed that bit.
I needed that bit.
Aye, and you threw it away.
Just give off.
Where did the blade go? Actually, I near did. Well, as you can see, we're glad we've done safety first.
Safety first.
Yeah.
Oh my
And here's one we've made earlier.
David sheared right off. Alright, so that's safety.
I only have now. Never cut at an angle like that because that's when blades go awry.
I didn't even get through it all, Dave.
That's coming off. There you are. Job done.
Next thing is bring her in. Dave.
Oh, bring her in.
You're always going to cut towards yourself.
Always cut towards yourself.
Towards
Sorry,
yourself.
away.
Do your
No,
own
I would like you to lick that. There's the money shot.
Oh, that's collective. I'm going to cut this here.
Well, we're in the realm of cutting, so we're like, oh, you've just flicked me full of water.
They're two. This is just to show you.
Yeah,
I mean, we're looking at clippers here covered
yeah,
in heat because
yeah, at a pound.
we don't have tools, but we don't need them. So I just want to.
You're manic.
This is it.
Oh my goodness, one wire at a time. Oh, here.
And then, Dave, I think this is going to come straight.
Yep.
in.
Don't cut the red wire, whatever you do.
Come here, look at this. Look. So now wobble.
She is free. We should be able to lift that. Hold on, I'll get Rob a hand here.
I'm not lifting it. Oh.
No. We're talking about just lifting. What's your fuck? Oh, for. Safety first, people.
This next step is to get this to the workshop. When I say workshop, I mean Dave's back garden, but why you should.
Sorry.
You know what I mean? And then it's halfway through the video, it's going to be just.
Sick, I've been doing this all the time.
Right, so we're on our way over to Dave's house here. We've got the drum on its way over in a separate car because heaven forbid Dave get his Audi dirty.
No. It's flying by her. We're gonna. Hi viewers, can we get into the washing machine? We're actually not in a washing machine.
No,
we're actually in my garden.
No, but
Was it good? Was it good?
We're at the new studio, and this is where we're going to start taking away the plastic part that's wrapped around the drum, and that's going to leave us with the fire pit that we so desire. We've decided to go for the
Next best thing.
yeah, the less elegant.
I use this for my wife. Safety first, remember we said? Safety first.
Right, yeah, so here we go.
Because it will come off via the hand.
It's going Come on, fire the hand. You have a problem often?
Right, what next? Well, that's the weight away, apart from these three.
So we have to do the same thing again?
Well, actually we need a torque, or you can't bit the crap out of it.
I'm a bit the crap out of it again, Dave. No.
Why? Well, safety first. We did speak about that.
I think.
There's goggles there.
Where's the goggles?
Right there.
Alright, to be honest.
Watch you don't poke your eye out. Andy, can I ask you a wee question?
Yeah.
Can I just give you the 150 quid for the fire pit and you can just have it?
Right, so we're getting close. We've been at this now for 4 or 5 hours, so we might not have 3 men at it. But I'll show you where we are.
Hold on. You need. Put that in there
Ah, yes.
and then hit that with a hammer.
Supervisor, good job.
Applications, holding this tight, Nick, that's tight.
That's no what we're doing our wee slice. It doesn't need to be cut off entirely. Oh. It's not it.
I think you need to keep hitting it like we were.
Yeah, that's still there, just
Wait.
inside. And you want here, you grab it and pull the drum as he's whacking.
That's it. Look at this. It's in here, right?
So,
My goodness.
why am I not on it?
You're not allowed to be.
I'm not in.
We're finally done, and to be honest, it was quite the journey, and I don't know if I'd recommend doing it myself. But now that it's done, you know, it's aluminium, so it'll be there forever. Here we have it here. It's all primed and ready to be racked. Now what I'm going to do is shortly I'm going to have our Dave come out. He's going to prep the fire for me and we'll get this thing up and running. To be honest, we haven't actually done this in a couple of days because we actually had a birth in the family. A wee baby was in the family, and we're in hospital for a couple of days. We weren't expecting that. So ideally what we're wanting here is just a small wee fire, something that's not too big, something we campfire, just to get something as a maiden voyage for the actual the thing itself, and just to close off the video. Cheers a couple of beers and that'll be done. I can't wait for it to be done, to be honest. It's been a long journey. So Dave, have you got anything sorted out here with it in regards to the petrol? Is that not too much, Dave?
No.
Here? Cheers. Cheers.
Do you know if that's a bit too hot?